Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Outlook and automate inbox triage with AI, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Locate the download button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once Outlook is installed, open the application. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. After signing in, you'll see your Outlook inbox. Now, let's automate your inbox triage with AI. First, ensure that you have a compatible AI tool or add-in. Popular choices include Microsoft Power Automate or third-party services like Zapier. Access the add-in store within Outlook. Search for and select the AI tool of your choice. Click on Add to integrate it with your Outlook. Follow the setup instructions for the AI tool. Configure the automation rules based on your preferences. Common rules include categorizing emails, flagging important messages, or sorting by sender. Test the automation to ensure it's functioning properly. Adjust any settings as needed for optimal performance. Regularly review the AI's actions to ensure it aligns with your expectations. Make necessary tweaks to the automation rules as your needs evolve. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your inbox with the help of AI. Enjoy a more organized and productive email experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.